Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to replace your air dryer. This truck is a 2008 Freightliner Century, and this is a Meritor Wabco air dryer. Here it is right here. So going forward, the first step is to disconnect your air lines. Make sure you bleed all of your air on your truck. Bleed it all out. Drain your tank so you have no air pressure. There's a connector down here. You need to disconnect that. Over here there is an electrical connector, it goes right there. Disconnect that, another air line. And then back here there are 3 bolts. You need to disconnect those. That is what is holding this on. So that's going to be the first step. So here is the new air dryer. Here's the old one. So what we need to do is we need to take these 2 connections off for the air and just transfer them over to here. I use some plumbing tape to put around the threads just to keep an airtight seal. Alright, so here's the air dryer with all the fittings connected. Use some Teflon tape for the threads. Cleaned them up with a little wire brush. Drill works really well. Then we'll go ahead and install this on the truck. Alright, so here's the air dryer. It's all, most of it's connected. It's bolted back onto the frame there. And now we just need to connect that air line and this air line right here and this electrical connection, and then we will be good to go.